Check this out. Nothing. Nothing, 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 nothing. Ignition fuse keeps blowing. So obviously something is terribly wrong. Something shorted out or something is grounded. We gotta dive into it, fix it if we want to be able to ride this thing. Know what I'm saying? I'm no mechanic or electrician. I'm pretty sure this is probably the source of my problem. Even if it turns out not to be, we're gonna be replacing this starter solenoid. Holy frig. It's just a mess. Struggle is real, boys. The struggle is real. Come on, you son of a gun. Hey, hey! I broke it off. Oh my God. Thankfully that thing broke off. What a nightmare. What a nightmare. Now we just gotta get a new part, put her all back together. Good times. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Can you? All right, let's install this one and see what happens. Fingers crossed she starts. No. Fingers crossed? Yeah, you get the idea. Okay, so this is not that difficult an install. The removal's not that hard. The only trickiest part is getting down here. This one wire way down here. You gotta kind of reach up underneath. What's going on here? That's gotta go like that. We'll have to do some figuring out on the wire routing. So there's enough room in there. You just gotta get a wrench or a ratchet in there and tighten her up and we'll see what happens. There she goes, there she goes. Oh, yep. Yep. Nice. It's like you want it to be a tight connection, but you don't want to frickin' overkill it either. So I think I got it, so this is gonna go down. Got the ground wire out. The battery in. These two bolt holes seem to be lining up, I think. Let's check it. Let's see. That one's going in. Okay. I probably shouldn't tighten this down all the way because it's gonna curse that there's something wrong, but I'm going for it. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, the wires are in there just right. Now there's a boot I gotta put back on there, but we'll save that for now. Positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, you know what I'm saying? Okay, battery's hooked up. The solenoid, or starter relay as Can Am calls it, is hooked up. Keys on. Okay, so kill switch is off. See what happens. Ho ho! Didn't pop any fuses. That's a good sign. And oh, we're in neutral. Yeah, buddy. I like it. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super stoked. I got everything hooked up and it fired right up. Now here's a really interesting thing. I've been battling this thing starting properly for a while. I've tried a bunch of parts. I changed the switch. I think I mentioned that already. Blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Here we are. Yeah, just throw the newspaper wherever, buds. Don't worry about it. Anyways, sorry, I got distracted there. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I was having problems with the starting. I changed the battery. It kind of helped, it kind of didn't. Then I changed the actual start switch mechanism because that's been full of dirt a bunch of times. A lot of people have had problems with that.
So I figured, and it was fairly inexpensive, not a big job to do either. So that's good. If I have a problem, my other one's still good. You know, maybe I'll make sure it's really clean, and you know, I'll have as a backup if I need. But what it was doing when it wouldn't start very well, it was really slow to turn over. Really slow. And I demonstrated on those startups there, it's firing right up like it's supposed to. What a difference. I'm glad I got that solved.
All right, I'm on my way to walk out of here. There's a Renegade right there. That'd probably take me 10 minutes.
Thanks so much for sticking around. And before you go, I got lots of riding videos, and I got lots of other videos of me working here in the shop, bumbling my way through it. So don't be afraid to check one of those out right now, or whenever you feel. No pressure, eh? Catch you in the next one. Bam!